If you want to join to franchise mode in Madden NFL 26, then first of all, of course, we need to go to franchise and let's enter the franchise. And we have two options. We can, for example, search for a league and join a league by ourselves. So we can go over here to all the leagues that are created and you can start searching. You can search by also using filters that you have over here. The list goes on and on and on, so you can personalize the search results and then we can begin searching. Now, in some cases, of course, we have passwords, so these leagues can be set to private. So if you don't know the password, then of course you won't be able to enter it. I think that's quite obvious. But you can also search for leagues that are public. So in this case, you won't have to enter any password and anyone can join. Now, in addition to that, you can of course be invited to a franchise. So in that case, you want to actually go to accept or decline. And over here, you should be able to find all your pending league invites. So you can decide if you want to join or not. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.